want to know that you learn that coronavirus, there are a lot of there is a special laboratory test. It's not talking about this. Okay, it's when the people is in contact, close contact, that means 2 meters. No, it's a new virus, of course, that it spread so quickly. That's true, it's so contagious. But in China, just 3% of people is dying. Iraq, WHO report just one case, it's report, but we remember that it's updated at the night, every day, but some newspapers report more cases, but we need to wait until night. Okay, now as FAI, we are working now with the camps, some people in quarantine, and our work with all the people is prevent, because it's the only measure that we can. Just we went yesterday the first time, and we didn't find any symptomatic person. The first one, we need to prevent not only for the coronavirus infection, it's for all the virus. That this, we need to wash our hands. Now we don't have a specific treatment, that's true. Doctors are working a lot around the world, but only we can do now is to be prepared. Take this measure, preventive measure, to wash our hands, clean the surface that we're touching. Don't touch our eyes, mouth, our nose with dirty hands. Coronavirus. SARS means severe acute respiratory syndrome. Many patients didn't have this contact, so now we are talking about some